Hey guys, I wanted to do just like a very soft, pretty, like summery, fresh look for you guys. I'm using a little bit of a cream shadow and some powder, and it is just like a very light pink with a very fresh pink lip. This is a very easy, no fuss look. I kept the lower lash line really clean, so if you're out in really hot weather, you don't have to worry about your lower lash line running. I didn't use waterproof mascara, but I highly suggest you could use waterproof mascara if you're out in summer heat at a barbecue or whatever you're doing. But I just think this is just a really soft, pretty daytime summer look, and I really love peachy pinks and golds on me, so I do a lot of looks like that. But if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So I'm just taking peaches and cream all over the lid and in the inner corner, and it is just like a, for me it's just a skin tone color. So I'm also going to take it on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Color Tattoo Concentrate Crayon. This is the color Barely Beige. The number is 700. So I'm just going to go in with that. And I'm just going to color that all over my lid. And then pat it out with my finger. I'm going to make sure I get in the inner corner right there. Brighten that bad boy up. Alright, there's what we have so far. These are buildable, so you can always build it up a little bit more. And then we're going to go back into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and we're going to take the color Nectar. This is just a nice golden shade, and we're just going to pat that on top of the shadow stick that we just used to make that color really pop. You could just use the shadow stick on its own, but I really want this to, like, you see the difference, like it really just pops. And I'm just patting this right where I put it, and I'm using the Lamora flat shader brush. I think that's what it's called. Classic shader. It's called the classic shader. It's just a flat brush. And then make sure you get that inner corner too, so it's nice and glowy. Nice and golden. So now we're going to take, from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, we're going to take the color Bellini. It's just like a rose gold peachy color, and I'm using this on the Real Techniques Expert concealer brush. This is the same brush that I also use for my base color, but I like using it for like eyeshadows too. It works really well because it just you know, if you're not doing like a very careful look, a very light look like this, this brush works perfectly. So I'm just taking that color in the crease and just doing a very light wash of it. And then on that same brush, I'm going to go in with Georgia. I'm going to flip it on the other side, and I'm just going to put that right, not on the brow bone, but just right above the crease. Just kind of blending that color out a little bit more. And then same brush, going back into Georgia, and I'm just going to pop that in the lower lash line, just very messily. This is a really light color, so you don't have to be super careful with it. So there's that, just a very nice light peachy goldy eye look. You could take the same color tattoo and put that in your waterline very carefully if you wanted to. That looks pretty, actually. Yeah, that looks pretty. I'm kind of just winging it right now, so this is actually turning out very nicely. So to highlight the brow bone, I think I'm going to stick with the matte shade, and I'm going to use, this is just a Sonia Kashuk. It's also a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to go back into Peaches and Cream, and I'm just going to highlight the brow bone right there and kind of the tip of my brow. And then going back into the Real Techniques concealer brush with nothing on it, I'm just going to kind of blend a little bit more. Blend the brow out so it's nice and seamless. Alright, there's the eyes so far. I'm going to do the rest of my face and mascara, because it's hard for me to do mascara on camera, but I'll tell you what I'm using, so I will be right back. Okay guys, here's the finished eye look. I'm going to do my lips on camera with you guys, just so it's, you know, kind of like a completed video. So for my lashes, I have been using the It Cosmetics Tightline Waterproof Mascara first. It's kind of like a primer, and it tightlines, so that's where I'm getting this tightline effect on my lashes from. I kept my lower lash line very clean, and I just wanted to have my lid to be very soft and pretty. This is a really pretty summer look. If you're going outside, it's not too fussy, it's not too dark, you don't have to worry about cleaning up darker shadows all the time if it's really hot out and you feel like your face is melting. So I think this is a perfect, like, really hot summer's day out look. But for the other mascara that I use, for my main mascara, I use the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara. And I just put that on my lashes. I put about 2 coats, and I focused the second coat on my tips of my lashes. So for lips, again, we're going to keep it very simple. So let's say you're going out to a barbecue or something like that, or I don't know, a pool party. I mean, you probably wouldn't want to wear all this in the pool, but we're just going to keep it very simple, something like a balm, and you can just throw it in your purse and reapply it. So I'm just going to use the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick, and I'm using the color Bright Berry, and this is like just a really fresh, bright pink. So that's what we're going to use, and we're not going to use lip liner or anything, so we're just going to use this. And there you go, there you have it. You can throw the little moisture smooth stick in your purse and reapply it when you need it, and it's not too drying or anything like that. So here is the completed look with the eyes and everything, and I can list all the other products on my face down below, and I will list everything I use down below, so be sure to check out the description box so you can refer back to it if you want to recreate this look. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye!